In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in Jotform. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to preview your changes so your form looks clean, readable, and on brand. First, open your form. Head over to jotform.com and log in. From your dashboard, click My Forms to see everything you've created. Choose the form you want to update, then click Edit Form. This opens the form builder where you'll make all your visual adjustments. If you manage lots of forms, a quick search by title can save you time, and don't worry whether your form uses the classic or card layout. These steps work the same. Next, open the Form Designer. Look to the right side of the builder for the paintbrush icon and give it a click. A design panel will slide out. This is your control center for the form's appearance, and you'll see sections for styles, colors, and fonts. Think of it as the place where the overall look and feel lives. Now change your form fonts. In the Form Designer, go to the Styles tab. This is where you'll find controls related to how your text looks throughout the form. Use the available font options to set a font that matches your brand and is easy to read. As you make changes, you should see them reflected live in the builder, so take a moment to scan through your questions, headings, and any description text. Aim for a clean, consistent style that keeps the form simple and accessible. If you're unsure which typeface to use, choose something clear and widely supported, and keep the size large enough for comfortable reading without overwhelming the layout. Small tweaks here can make a big difference in how professional your form appears. When you're satisfied with the look, it's time to preview and save. Click the Preview Form button, the one with the eye icon. This opens an interactive preview so you can experience the form as your respondents will. Check it on both desktop and mobile views to make sure the font is legible and that line breaks, spacing, and headings feel balanced on smaller screens. If anything looks off, close the preview, return to the Styles tab, and refine your choices. When you're done, simply close the Form Designer. Jotform autosaves your changes, so there's nothing extra to publish here. A quick refresh is a good sanity check if you want to double confirm everything stuck. That's it. You've changed the font in your Jotform, previewed it across devices, and saved your updates with confidence.